Hey love, my name is LUCYMAE, but you can call me Lou if that's what you want to do, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me to go to my post-op doctor's appointment. In this video, I'm going to be putting in little clips of the conversation because it was a lot. My mom and my grandma came down because I got a myomectomy. So basically a myomectomy is when you get your fibroids removed. I'm going to do a separate video going into detail about that, but it's a very intensive surgery, kind of like a hysterectomy. So that's why I've been MIA, and here comes a funny piece of the conversations that was going on. Checking on her mess. She checking on her mess.
On her
Mess.
Yeah.
If you have any questions for me about the process of the myomectomy, how I got started and everything, just leave them below and I will address them in the myomectomy video. Right now it's a little bit of a challenge for me to be fully like on it with my content because my equilibrium and my balance is off. So I just can't be moving around and, you know, doing makeup the way I used to. But I am recovering and I am getting better by the days. I gotta go to the doctor's at 12.
Yeah, I do that.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
All right, well, I just called y'all to say good morning.
The voice that you hear is my aunt. She had called me when I was getting ready to go to the doctor. That's what I'm saying. This whole video was a lot because it was already like me, my grandma, and my mom having conversations. Then my aunt called. So it was just like a bunch of conversations happening at once, and it was hilarious. That's why I'm inserting the clips. This is me 8 days post-op. And this was my first time like actually being able to get up and like do my makeup and stuff. So I was really happy about this because I was looking crusty and dusty.
What? Where you at? You going out of focus?
What is my mom talking about going out of focus? Like she can see her. She was on the phone. Like she be tripping.
Nice and flush.
You been using them?
I ain't even had to put no lotion on my legs. My skin is looking lovely.
Child, I'm on ashes. I don't know.
Y'all, the whole time I was on the phone with my aunt, I was dying laughing. She is hilarious. So right here, I'm just, you know, adding a little blush or whatever. This look is a everyday makeup look. Like I didn't want to do too much because it was like I was going to the doctor. I really wasn't going nowhere. So that's what this look is. My doctor's appointment, it went well. You know, I just have to realize that like I can't move the way I used to move because my body has went through a extreme change. So that's what I'm working on, and I'm just, you know, working on trying to get y'all some content, you know, as best that I can and make sure that it's good content. So that's what I've been doing.
You ain't gonna want that big old cup. Oh, it's bad out here. It's nice.
It's hot. It's hot. The whole thing about me being hot is something that me and my family went back and forth with because after I got my surgery, I was just hot. Like my family's like, oh my God, it's cold in here. Why you got the AC on? I'm like, because I'm hot and I can't go to sleep when I'm hot. So that's just something else that my body is currently going through. But other than that, you know, I just been taking it one day at a time and not rushing myself to get better because I don't want to make it worse than what I already have going on.
Calling through Facebook.
Mom.
What?
Why are you calling that man to Facebook?
Because something wrong with his regular phone. You see?
I am coming up on being 2 weeks post-op. So let me just explain the differences because there are a lot of myomectomies. So I got an abdominal myomectomy, which is one of the more intense ones. So I will be out of work between 2 to 3 weeks, but it's going to take me 4 to 6 weeks to heal. With a laparoscopic myomectomy, it's not as intense and you can go back to work sooner. I am scheduled to go back to work next week, but if I don't feel good, I'm not going.
I ain't taking your shit today, no. I ain't taking your shit tomorrow, no. We can do it my way, so I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking around, no. Cause you just wanna play with my heart, and I see you with.
She got him more than she got her own son.
Mom, please.
She do.
If you have a job where you're doing a lot of moving around or you're on your feet constantly, you're going to be out the full 4 to 6 weeks because you can't do any of those type of movements when you're healing.
Yeah.
Clearly.
It do.
Oh my God, if you watch my Ulta video where I bought the butter glosses from NYX, oh my God, I love them so much. I've been using them all the time. If you haven't seen the video, I will leave it linked in the card.
At 11. Hungry? We leave because I got
Mama, you asking me questions? I'm not
We
driving.
leaving at 11 because I got to stop and get gas. And I don't know how far.
Mama, the gas station is down the street. Literally.
Okay, well, I didn't know.
I see you with the girl at the party. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want you waste my time, but I don't need to.
That was the finished look. See, it was just something, you know, every day, nothing too much. Right now, I am doing my edges. I had to do my edges because this bush just needed a little something. This is my hair in its natural state. Y'all, I just couldn't bring myself to do anything to it. Like, it was just too much for me. So I was just rocking the bush, okay? All I did was I already had some conditioner on my hair. I just put water on it and let it do whatever it was going to do. This is me in my bathroom. This is the outfit. So this little jacket situation is really a shirt. I just wear it as a jacket. Got that from Forever 21. The tank top is like a rib tank top. Got that from It's Fashion Metro. The leggings are Family Dollar. And as you can see, I'm struggling to put my foot up because of my incision. I just got on these cloud Crocs that I got from DSW. Don't nobody judge. That counter looks a hot ass mess because my shit is on there. My mom's, my grandma's, all our shit was on there. So don't judge. But this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one.
I guess I'm